Hey guys, this is Manny from Manny Gaming and Tutorials, and today's tutorial is a brief tutorial and it is a very simple one if you stay with me. So please watch till the end. I will teach you how to add a media source to your streaming scenes. Okay, so it's very simple and anyone can do it, but it is a very crucial and important step when you start streaming. See, you've seen those professional streamers, they have these scenes when they don't come, when they start their stream but they are not available. They have this scene which occupies the stream that says stream is starting and there is a beautiful music playing in the background. You also want that. You also want your viewers to be preoccupied, you don't want them to get bored while you come. And you want them to be preoccupied with your stream, so you have to add a media source to that so that they can watch that or they can hear to it instead, till you're not coming back, obviously. So all you have to do is you'll have to have one thing, two things, no, one thing, streaming software, one streaming software actually. You can either use OBS Studio or you can use Streamlabs OBS. So I personally prefer Streamlabs OBS because I've been using OBS Studios for a very long time, but I've encountered some issues with it, so I use Streamlabs OBS instead. So open your streaming software. Okay, this is a bit typical for me to demonstrate in front of you to show that how to do it, but I'll show you, don't worry, I'll show you, because as soon as I switch on to my starting soon or be right back scenes, you won't be able to see what I'm doing, what options am I clicking at. Okay, so I'll demonstrate it in my live scene only, just for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So in your live scene, just pretend this is your starting soon scene. If you are already a streamer, you know that you'll have various scenes. Like, this is your live scene in which you will play games or you will do any other thing which you do in your channel or in your videos. Okay, this is your live scene, okay, in which you do things. Okay, then there is a starting soon scene in which you want that media source to be. You can place it in any scene. It can be a starting soon, be right back, like this is my be right back scene, this is my ending soon scene. I prefer to keep it simple. But my starting soon scene has to be pretty engaging. It has to have some music. It has to have some animations going in the background to keep my viewers occupied. So what I have to do now is I'll have to add a media source to my starting soon scene. Just imagine this live scene is my starting soon scene. Okay, so this is my starting soon scene. You'll have to click on this plus button in the sources. Click on this, there will be a option media source in the essential sources. Click on this media source, add source. Now I will add a source like this. I will add a new source instead. This option will not be available when you first time add a media source to your scene, because this is the first time you are adding a media source. Add a new source instead. This will not be available because you are adding the media source first time. So this add source, and then what you'll have to do is browse whatever file you want to place in your stream at the starting segment or at the ending segment or at the intermission segment. That media source, you have to select that. Like, this is my scene, I will select this, stream starting soon, and open. Okay, so this will be opened. This is my stream starting soon scene, and I will click check on loop, and other things you don't have to mess around with those things, and then just click on done. So this will be here. Now I will just to teach you quickly will you transform and do it to stretch to screen so it can occupy your whole screen. This is a small tip that I give you. You already know that. So just transform, stretch to screen, it will just stretch to your whole screen, and then you can drag around and do whatever you want to do. So this is how you add a media source to your scene. Okay, now the important and tricky part starts here. I said I am adding a media source, so it means that I also might have an audio playing in the background, and it should have audio playing in the background because it will keep your viewers engaged and it will make your stream look more professional and good. Okay. So like this, my media source has a audio, a good song playing in the background, but I cannot hear it. Neither can you hear it, nor will my viewers will be able to hear it. So there is a simple trick that you can do. Simple thing you can do. What you have to do is go to properties. Go to properties of media source. So when you check, see media source, there is the audio playing in the background. This you can confirm by seeing this graph, because it is constantly fluctuating. It shows that there is an audio in this media source which I am not able to hear, neither you are able to hear, and nor your viewers will be able to hear if you don't do this. Okay, just go to properties and audio monitoring. So it will be set to default it will be set to monitor off. This will be the default thing that will be set in OBS Studio and in Streamlabs. I'm telling you beforehand that it will be same in both of those streaming software. So you will just have to do this. Just click on monitor and output, and you will be able to hear the audio playing in the video. As soon as I click on this, see, you can hear the media source. Your viewers will be also able to hear the media source, and your stream will look more professional with a song and animation going when you're not there in your stream, and this will make it look more better and more attractive. So yeah, so this is the simplest tutorial on how you can add a media source to your starting soon scene in your streams. Okay, I'll now just remove this. Yes, because I already have that. I can show you that this is my starting soon scene. Lost my best friend to 23. Take your time to appreciate my starting soon scene. Okay, I love this song. So yeah, this sums up today's tutorial, and this is the tutorial I was waiting to tell you guys, because I know there are a lot of streamers which want to stream, but they don't have they don't know how to put a media source in their stream. So I hope this video will help them out. This video will help a lot of people out. I hope that. So thank you for watching, and before going, I'll tell you one small tip. Do not put a media source that is copyright protected in your stream, as it will definitely get you a copyright strike, and that is not good for your stream. So do not place a media source that is copyright protected. And yeah, that sums up this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and drop a like.